In building a world-class portfolio, Biomed has focused on highly selective investments in core life science locations and excellent quality facilities that attract the premier tenants in the life science industry. Life science companies have generally clustered around select locations that provide access to highly skilled workforces, world-class academic institutions, venture capitalists, and other partners that collectively provide the network and infrastructure essential to their work. In the United States, there are 7 core life science clusters. On the West Coast, San Diego, San Francisco, and Seattle. And on the East Coast, Boston, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Maryland. These mature, self-sustaining clusters provide an ideal environment in which life science companies across every stage of development can thrive. Biomed is almost exclusively focused on investments in these 7 core markets. In addition to locating in these core cluster locations, life science organizations require excellent quality properties. Biomed's state-of-the-art facilities support the wide range of needs of the life science industry, including medical device, drug discovery, drug development, pharmaceutical, and other research institutions. The company specifically designs and develops properties to support the wider range of functionality that life science organizations may need, including laboratory and R&D space, traditional office space, and large-scale controlled environment manufacturing space. Biomed's current property portfolio consists of a mix of office, lab, and manufacturing space, as well as projects currently under construction and developable land adjacent to its operating properties. The portfolio includes state-of-the-art facilities, more than 2/3 of which have been developed in the last 10 years.
Well, there are several factors that make life science industry real estate unique. You start with the floor-to-ceiling clear heights that need to exist in a life science facility. And those range anywhere from 12.5 to 17 feet. Then you go from that to you have the load-bearing capacity. The load-bearing capacity of each floor is significantly higher than what is typically found in an office building. The facilities that we provide are basically controlled environments, and these controlled environments are unique to the life science industry and are very difficult to replicate in an office building.
The biotechs and pharmaceuticals that we interface with oftentimes are looking at things like real collaborative environments, and therefore associating the laboratory with adjacent space where either they're collision spaces or specifically designed for this collaborative type of approach to attacking the research. That tends to be a critical element.
Biomed partners with its tenants to develop eco-friendly green buildings and takes pride in being the leading provider of environmentally sustainable real estate to the life science industry.
In 1998, the U.S. Green Building Council established the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, Green Building Rating System. LEED certification is now a nationally accepted benchmark for the design, construction, and operation of high-performance green buildings. Our 500 Kendall Street building in Cambridge, the headquarters for Genzyme Corporation, was awarded Platinum LEED certification, the highest possible designation. We also received a Gold LEED certification for our Center for Life Science Boston. This 700,000 square foot research center, surrounded by world-class life science research institutions, hospitals, and biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, including Harvard Medical School, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and Merck Research Laboratories Boston, is one of the finest life science facilities in the world. And the 650 East Kendall Street building in Cambridge, our 280,000 square foot joint venture project with Prudential Real Estate Investors, completed in late 2009, has received Gold LEED pre-certification. And Biomed's 84,000 square foot build-to-suit laboratory and office facility at the 9865 Town Center Drive campus in San Diego, which is 100% leased to Illumina, was completed in July 2008 and received Silver LEED certification.
Biomed is focused on expanding its world-class portfolio by identifying optimal locations and growing its already exceptional tenant roster. By remaining true to its mission, Biomed is well positioned for significant long-term growth.